What is the capital of Australia?
The capital of Australia is Canberra.
Alexa, set the timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस धमाकेदार और कूल वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ टॉप 5 टेक्निकल गैजेट्स के बारे में जो कि प्रोबेबली आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगेंगे। ये वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आपको ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए क्योंकि इससे मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता है। पहला प्रोडक्ट
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot, a stylish compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your study desk or bedside table. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events. At 8 a.m. there's yoga class and at 7:30 p.m. there's Rahul's birthday celebration.
Alexa, tell me the latest news.
Here's your flash briefing.
Use room-to-room calling to check in on the family. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. You can also message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app. Alexa, message Pooja.
What's the message?
Are we still on for dinner tonight?
Sending message.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Alexa, play the latest Bollywood songs.
Playing the latest Bollywood songs.
And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs throughout your home across multiple Echo devices. Alexa, play music everywhere.
Playing music everywhere.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, Alexa, good night, to play relaxing music and turn off the lights. Then set a music alarm to wake you up. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow with Indian pop hits.
Alarm set for tomorrow for Indian pop hits.
With a growing selection of clock faces and tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter. Explore skills in your Alexa app or ask, Alexa, recommend some skills. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, Alexa, go home. Enjoy Echo Spot from Amazon.
Say hello to Echo Plus, a hands-free speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features premium audio powered by Dolby and a built-in hub that can set up and control your smart home in seconds. Just say, Alexa, discover my devices.
Discovering devices.
And Echo Plus does the rest. Alexa, turn on the living room light. Just ask to play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play rock music.
Here's a station for rock music.
Alexa can set alarms, fill you in, remind you of any event and more. Best of all, Echo Plus and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Plus from Amazon. Say hello to Echo Show. It connects to Alexa to show you things in stunning HD, with room-filling sound and a built-in hub that can set up your smart home in seconds. Just ask to watch your favorite shows, music videos, or movie trailers. Alexa, show me romantic movies.
Okay, here are a few movies.
Echo Show can stream your favorite music from all your favorite places and call your Alexa contacts and Skype contacts like your friend Sanjay.
Calling Sanjay.
Hey you! Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, Echo Show can turn on the lights, switch on the AC, give news updates and more with a single command. It can check in on your little human like this. Alexa, show me the nursery. Best of all, Echo Show and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Show from Amazon.
Fire up your TV. Everything you loved watching online can now become a big screen experience. Introducing the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Get set for an all-new kind of HD TV entertainment. This ultra-compact, super-fast streaming device can play anything you want it to. Well, it's not a genie, but it can play movies, TV shows, songs and games through apps like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, Gaana, Eros Now, and more, all on your HD TV. Setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick is no rocket science. Just plug it into your HD TV, connect it to a power source and to your Wi-Fi for instant high-definition entertainment. All you need to do is log into your Amazon account and get started. On the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can set the video quality for the content you stream. You can also set a monthly data consumption limit so that the device works well within your data plan. Say it, play it.
Young children.
Unless you're munching on something, finding your favorite shows or movies using the Fire TV voice remote is a cakewalk. Using the Fire TV voice remote, you can search for movies, shows, even by actors, director or genre.
तुम्हारी सुनो
Just say it, and the voice remote will immediately start streaming your show accurately. This device can tag along anywhere and everywhere. All you need is an HD TV, a Wi-Fi connection, carry it anywhere and watch anytime. The kids will love it, thanks to the uninterrupted streaming of games and popular animated series like Animal Mechanicals, Chhota Bheem, and Sid the Science Kid. With its parental control feature, you can ensure that kids watch what's right for them. The experience gets even better with Amazon Prime. In addition to thousands of popular movies and TV shows, you also get access to Amazon original series anytime, any place. Switch to smarter entertainment today. Get the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Fire up your TV.